In this tutorial, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of extracting email addresses from OST files, using the PC.OST email address extractor. To install the PC.OST email address extractor, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch it. To begin, click on the Open button. This tool provides users with the option to select from multiple categories of email data. Email data file, desktop email client, email accounts, email servers. Further, each email category offers users a variety of file types. Navigate to the email data file, where users can view various file type options, including OST, PST, OLM, MBOX, EML, MSG, and others. Click on the OST option and then select Choose Folder or Choose File option. Choose the folder containing OST files and then click the Select Folder button. Our tool also allows users to preview data before conversion. Simply click on any folder to view its contents. Select an email to see the message. The tool will only display relevant information in the content section of the preview. User also have the option to save attachments if there are any. Right-click on attachment to open or save attachments. Tool provides users with Open, Save and Save All option to save multiple attachments. Our tool provides users with various preview options, including content, properties, header, raw, and hex views. This tool provides users with two types of search options: folder search and advanced search. Let's see the advanced search option. Click on the magnifying glass icon. This option allows the user to search the entire Outlook data file, including contacts, calendar, and more, or you can also choose the options individually. To extract email addresses from an OST file, go to the Extract option and select the Email Addresses option for this tutorial. Here user can see multiple extract options to be included or excluded in extracted email addresses, such as location bar, open folder after export is done, skip grayed out folders, extract email addresses from attachments, select fields to extract email addresses from. After configuring all the settings, it's time for the extraction process. Click on the Extract button, and the extraction process will begin. Our tools also has a section for found email addresses to preview. To export the output, click on the Save button and a pop-up will appear, notifying users that the trial version limits exports to 10 items per folder. To remove this restriction, users must purchase a software license. Click on Open Folder button. And here you have your extracted email addresses. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.